Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the YouTube app to any MacBook. Now macOS doesn't offer an official YouTube app to download, but there's a simple trick to make it work just like one. Start by opening Safari. You can do that by pressing Command and Space, then typing Safari and hitting Enter. Once Safari is open, go to the YouTube website by typing youtube.com in the address bar and pressing Return. When the page has fully loaded, look at the top menu bar. Click on File, then select Add to Dock. A small window will pop up asking you to name it. Just call it YouTube or whatever you like, and click Add. Now check your dock. You'll see a YouTube icon there. When you click it, YouTube opens in its own separate window. It won't look like Safari at all. It'll feel like a standalone app. And that's it. You've basically turned YouTube into an app on your Mac. It's super easy and works great. Good luck, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.